Hello, my name is Viviana del Pilar Huesa Rodriguez. I am 21 years old. I live in Sogamoso. I study psychology at the University. I live with my husband. My hobby is dancing, and in my last vacation we went to city of Medellin. Recipe: corn wraps envueltos de mazorca. Ingredients: corn on the cob, guava snack, cheese, raisins, butter, milk, amerus. Recipe: 3 kilograms of corn on the cob, 250 grams of butter, 200 grams of guava snack, 200 grams cheese, 100 grams raisins, a liter of milk, 15 ameros. Preparation. Step 1. First, the cup is husked in a container. Then the grains are poured into a manual or electric grinder. Step 2. A container is placed under the mill to store the starch mixture of the cob kernels. Step 3. In a frying pan and overload heat milk in the butter until it's light and add to the crushed corn and mix if dry and milk to taste. Step 4. In another bowl, chop the cheese in small squares with the guava snack. Step 5. We proceed to assemble the wrapped one and wash the amerus. We add the mixture inside the amero with pieces of guava snack, cheese, and raisins. Step 6. Finally, they are sealed and placed in a bowl, hot water for 1 hour, and then served as dessert. Thank you very much.